Hello, my name is Rahul Mody. I head the infrastructure M&A practice at Ambit Corporate Finance. We have very significant and wide-ranging infrastructure practice comprising transport, utilities, power, energy and telecom infrastructure. Infrastructure sector is very busy at the moment. There are significant activities taking place. There's a humongous need for investment. I believe the infrastructure sector is at an inflection point driven by the government policies. Estimates suggest that $1 trillion of investment will be required in the sector over the next 5 years. I think that level of investment will need to continue for 3 decades for Indian infrastructure to be world class. Clearly, this is a very large number and this investment cannot come from government alone. This is clearly a very large number and this alone cannot come from government alone. So obviously there is a gap that needs to be filled in by private and foreign investments. Now here is a good news. I believe that a significant portion of this investment can be achieved from foreign infrastructure funds. Who are these foreign infrastructure funds? These funds are mainly sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, insurance companies, endowment funds. And I believe that this can provide a long-term solution at an efficient cost of capital for investment into Indian infrastructure. And these are 3 reasons why I believe so. One is that these funds are flush with liquidity. There's a significant allocation made within these funds towards infrastructure. At the moment, I believe they have around $300 million of equity to invest in infrastructure. Secondly, these funds are looking at long-term investments, and this is driven by demographic changes in their countries or the customers they service. There are 2 main trends. One is the increasing life expectancy of people, and secondly, growing population. And what that means is they need investments that are more long-term and stable. And Indian infrastructure assets can provide those stable and long-term returns. And thirdly, the asset supply in their home markets is not as much as the amount of funds available for investment. Other emerging markets are not doing well, and that's good news for India. So for all these reasons, I think these international infrastructure funds can provide answer to India's need for investment into infrastructure sector.